Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level along with my stock future trades. So let me just show you the result of our previous trade that we have taken. So as you can see, this is a yesterday, this is my WhatsApp broadcast, and you can see that we at 319 I said that I am going long in Bajaj Auto near closing. So that was the analysis, and as you can see at 316 I messaged that square of Bajaj Auto good profit, and at 318 also I messaged that I am looking for the trade, but we did not take any particular trade, and the reason for that also I'm going to explain you in a bit. So let us first see how the profit has been for the Bajaj Auto trade. So as you can see guys, we made around 3,650 rupees, but there was a loss of 600 rupees yesterday while we did get this particular position. So around 3,000 rupees we did get in this particular trade. So that was it for this particular trade, and now let us try and analyze what the Nifty and Bank Nifty is suggesting. So in my previous video I did mention that the market has been trading at a crucial level, and I also mentioned that the market can go near 10,000 at 850. So how have we arrived at a level of 10,850? By analyzing the option data. I further mentioned that we also confirmed our analysis by observing that the resistance for the key technical indicators has also been placed at a higher side. So that was also confirming the analysis that yes, there might be some sort of move, but resistance was near, which I also suggested very clearly. So I also mentioned that if you are holding two or more lot in a long side, I also mentioned that you should definitely clear at least one sort of your position near 10,850 level. So as you can see that market did went on nicely above 10,850, but finally the gains were lost near closing. However, you can also see that the 10,700 has been a good sort of support for the market, and it's still holding. So market is now trading above 10,800, which we did predicted in yesterday's video. Now let us try and find out that what is the expectation of the market participants for the upcoming trading session, how they have created a particular position in option like call and put, what are the option activity range, and how the technical indicators are behaving. We are also trying to come up with a level during up to which the market is most likely to trade. So first, option activity range is around 10,500 to 11,000. So there has been no much change in the option activity range. But if you see the call data, I can see a good sort of bullish position getting formed in the higher strike prices like 10,900 and 11,000. So good sort of change in open interest has happened, which did suggest that the market participants are expecting the market to trade on a higher side. So 11,000 is now seen as a final ultimate target, which we should see if the continuous forming of bullish position continues. On a lower side as well, I can see the call short covering has happened. So again, it is suggesting that there will be volatility in the market, because call shorts are also not holding up. Now on a put side, if you see, you will observe that the put long has been covered. So there has not been some sort of great sign. However, the change in open interest is sort of aggressive near 10,700. For the 10,800 has seen a good sort of put writing close to 21 lakh shares have been added towards stability to bullish side. 10,850 has seen a good sort of change in open interest, both in terms of value and in terms of change in interest in percentage value. So all in all, the option chart data looks bullish in spite of this downfall. I mean, market was not able to sustain at a high level, but still there has been a holding of position on a bullish note. So this did suggest that the market is most likely should trade in a stable to bullish kind of frame. Now if you analyze the various indicators, now first let us analyze the data. So moving averages. So as you can see, the moving averages, 8 days moving averages are all over each other, so it is not giving us any sort of clear move. So yes, there will be volatility. Both who has gone long and who has gone short will be going to make money, because there will be volatility, market will be here and there. So there is no sort of confirmation that we are getting from this particular move, but what I can feel is 10,780 should act as a good support for the market, and the high, which is 10,880, will act as a strong sort of resistance. So again, a range bound kind of move you can expect. uh, Break on a high side will definitely instill some sort of bullish momentum, and if you see the market trading above today's days high, you can definitely go long if you see some sort of rejection happening near the today's days high, and expect at least 20-30 points um, shortly, because it will be a breakout sort of situation. Now if you analyze the technical indicators, you will find that the CCI is already trading above a 100 zone. As I said, there has been a support near the near particular this particular range, which is a 136 sort of level, which was again acting as a support. So there is a chance that the this particular level might hold. So there is a room for the upside, which is what basically I'm trying to convey. If you see the MACD, now you can see that it is trading exactly near its resistance level. So you can expect some sort of range bound move with a bullish sentiments or a bullish touch, but there has been a resistance. So either this resistance will get take will be taken out, or it will prevail. uh, in the longer term MACD also, you can see that the now the resistance is also near. So what I'm trying to suggest is, if you are holding a long moves, try to book a profit if you see a good sort of a move in the market. So good sort of move will be 50-60 point. If you are getting, you should definitely book profit. Apart from that, the RSI resistance is also holding up. So if this resistance continues and market will not be able to break above the highs that it has created, you can definitely expect some sort of down sentiments, but it has some time now. So to conclude for the Nifty, I think that there is some sort of a support for the markets at a lower level, and a resistance at a high level. So you should expect a range bound kind of market with a bullishness, with bullish sort of sentiment. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us quickly find out what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So we have not taken any particular trade because we are not getting much sort of accurate trade in tomorrow's analysis. So we didn't take any risk and have not generated any particular trade. And so now, as you can see, the Nifty along with the Nifty, Bank Nifty has also seen a good sort of levels today. Went on high side nicely, but not able was not able to sustain at a high level, and fell down. So, so if you broadly analyze the sentiments for the Nifty and Bank Nifty are the same. However, in a longer time frame, Bank Nifty looks quite bullish, because if you see, it is just breaking out of its exponential average. In my previous video also, I did mention that the Bank Nifty looks bullish, and if you see a break of its exponential average, you can definitely expect a good sort of gain in a Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty on a relatively shorter to medium term time frame looks very bullish to me. Now there will be a some sort of down move, but any down move in a Bank Nifty will be limited to 26,000, and as soon as this level continues, the support will only shift on a higher side. So I'm expecting a sort of stable to bullish market from now on. So that was my analysis for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. We have not taken any particular stock future trade. So uh, you can expect that the next trade will be in line, probably, because the reason is we are not getting any confirmed trade. So unless and until we are getting confirmed trade, we are not taking any sort of risk. So that's the only reason we have not taken any stock future trade that we usually that we are taking quite regularly from past couple of weeks. So that's it for the today's video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn our system, make sure you visit the video description, wherein you will get all the playlist links which you can watch and learn the system by yourself. Thank you.